how to activate a Cash App card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I will guide you through the steps of how you can activate a Cash App card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Basically you can only activate a Cash App card once you have received them. So normally what you had to do was you had to just open up Cash App and then you had to order a Cash App card by tapping this icon over here, tapping on get free cash card, and then maybe you chose your style and so on. Maybe your personalized card, you ordered a card, you sent your delivery address, and now the cash card has been mailed to you. Now you want to actually activate it. Well, how can you do that? So once you've received a cash card, it is also going to be updated in the Cash App, and then when you come to the cash icon over here, you'll be able to see the card that you have ordered. You just want to make sure to tap on the card icon that you have ordered. It will ask you to activate your Cash App card, so you can just tap on that activate button. So when you tap on the activate button, it will ask you for some of the last four digits of your card, maybe, or maybe your social security number, or maybe the last CVV date as well as the expiry date and CVV number. And after you enter those digits of your card, you should be able to successfully activate your Cash App card. But just make sure that you have received a physical card, because if not, you will not enable those options, just like me. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.